Hello guys, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe Magendran Educates. In this video about my favorite festival, I covered my favorite festival Christmas in a 10 lines, very simple way. Please watch till end. My favorite festival, I choose Christmas. First one, Christmas is my favorite festival. Second one, it is celebrated on December 25th every year. Third one, Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Fourth one, we decorate Christmas trees with lights and ornaments. Fifth one, we exchange gifts with family and friends. Sixth one, Santa Claus brings presents to children. Seventh one, we sings Christmas carols and enjoy festive food. Eighth one, Christmas is time for love, kindness, and sharing. Ninth one, it's a special day to spend with family and friends. Final one, I love celebrating Christmas with joy and happiness.